Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create the gorgeous, stunning boho braid that was most requested on my Instagram page. So yeah, if you'd like to learn how I created this gorgeous look, then do keep watching. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to address the elephant in the room. Yes, I have orange hands.
Yes, I have orange hands.
Yes, it will be gone by tomorrow. Yeah, I do like an Oompa Loompa. I have what's it fingers, but whatever. Let's move on. So taking my Kenra texture spray with my what's it fingers, we are going to be spritzing the hair. Give it a good shake up, and you just want to leave that all through your hair. Just to massage it all in, give it all the texture it needs. And then we can start our boho braid. Okay, so we're going to start off by doing a small ponytail. So I'm literally just going to remove the front sections first, out the way. Like so. And we want to back comb this back section here. Okay, so taking the top section, you are just going to be back combing the root area. So taking a small elastic band, we are just going to secure the section we have just back combed. Like so, and I like just to gently pinch and tug at the root area just so it's not flat to my head. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this front section here into two, and you just want to wrap it around each other like so. But then secure at the bottom with an elastic band. And then again with the pinch and pull technique, you just want to pull the braid up and out. And then you want to repeat the same on the opposite side. So taking both sections, I've just crisscrossed it over the top of each other, over the section that we've just done a ponytail in. And taking a bobby pin, you just want to secure them both together. So you should have something like that. And it should feel quite tight and secure to your head. Okay, so now you have pinned that all neatly into place, we're just going to start our braid. So this would be a standard fishtail braid. So taking a small section of hair, I'm just going to split that into two. There we go. And taking a small section here, you're going to overlap it into your other section like so. And then repeating the same on the opposite side. So halfway down, you just want to start tugging at the braid. So you just want to pull, tug and pull. Do the same on the opposite side. Tug and pull. And then continue the braid. Now that the braid is complete and secured at the bottom with another elastic band, you just want to start pulling at the braid and give it loads of texture and also the boho vibe that we would like. So just tug and pull as you go along. So taking that Kenra texture spray, I'm just going to be re-spritzing the lot and going back over that braid and just sort of scrunching it up to give it a bit more added texture. So taking my Kenra volume spray in the number 25, I'm just going to be spritzing my backcomb brush, and it's just going to dress the front of my hair. Just want to gently backcomb to go away from my face. I want to do the same the opposite side. To show something like this at the front, some nice sort of loose curls, texturised, loads of volume. Okay, so that is the finished look from the front. As you can see, lots of texture, lots of body, really in the bohemian vibe. Does that make sense? Okay, so that is this gorgeous boho braid all complete. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I shall see you soon.